Good morning, students. In this class, I am going to discuss with you about mesophytes. The plants which grow in mesic or moderate habitats are called as the mesophytes. Meso refers to moderate, phyton refers to plants. Mesic habitat is the habitat which is neither too wet nor too dry in condition. The plants which are present in mesic habitat are as follows, that is tridax, sunflower, etc. These plants are exhibiting the adaptations, both morphological and anatomical adaptations, which are as follows. Starts with the morphological adaptation. The first one is the root. Root are well developed with abundant root hairs. In case of the dicot plant, here the root system is taproot system. In case of the monocot, fibrous root system is present. Root is well developed in case of the mesophyte with abundant root hair. If you observe the dicot, here the taproot system is present. In case of the monocot, fibrous root system is present. Stem. In case of the mesophyte, stem is aerial, erect. If it is a tree species, the stem is woody in condition. If it is a herb, then the stem is herbaceous in nature. Therefore, these are the stem modification in case of the mesophyte. In case of the mesophyte, the stem is aerial, erect, woody and herbaceous in nature. Leaf. In case of the mesophyte, if it is the dicot leaf, it exhibits the dorsi-ventrally flattened condition. In case of the monocot, it exhibits the isobilateral in nature. The leaves are having proper leaf lamina. They are rich with chlorophyll, hence they perform the function of photosynthesis. Leaf. Dicot leaf is dorsiventrally flattened in nature. Monocot leaf is isobilateral in nature. These leaves are having proper leaf lamina. They are rich with chlorophyll, hence they perform the function of photosynthesis. This is about the morphological adaptation seen in case of the mesophytes. In case of the mesophyte, the root is well developed with abundant root hair. In case of the dicot, taproot system is present. In case of the monocot, fibrous root system is present. About the stem, stem is aerial, erect, woody and herbaceous in nature. In case of the leaf, dicot leaf exhibits the dorsiventrally flattened condition. Monocot leaf exhibits the isobilateral leaf with having proper leaf lamina, and it is rich with chlorophyll and helps in photosynthesis. Let us move towards the anatomical adaptation. Cuticle is moderately developed in case of the mesophytes. Epidermis is uniseriate layer. Stomata is present both on the upper as well as on the lower epidermis of the leaf. Mesophyll is differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma in case of the dicot leaf. Mechanical tissues are well developed in mesophytes. Vascular tissues are also well developed in case of the mesophytes. These are the anatomical adaptations. Cuticle is moderately developed. Epidermis is uniseriate layer. Stomata is present both on the upper as well as on the lower epidermis. Mesophyll is differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. Mechanical tissues are well developed. Vascular tissues are also well developed in case of the mesophytes. This is an example of dicot stem TS where the epidermis is uniseriate layer, well developed mechanical tissues are present, vascular tissues are also well developed. Let us move towards the classification of plants based on availability of light. There are two types. One is the heliophytes, another one is the skyophytes. Heliophytes, sun-loving plants are called as the heliophytes. Skyophytes, shade-loving plants are called as the skyophytes. Let us move towards the other classification. First one is the psychrophytes, plants which grow in Arctic region. Lithophytes, plants which grow on rock surface. Psammophytes, plants grow in sand. Halophytes, plants grow in saline habitat. Epiphytes, plants grow on other plants only for shelter. Parasites, plants grow on other plants both for shelter as well as for the food. This is about this class. Thank you.